Ever wondered why this cat goes completely blank the second a vet puts a clip on its neck? Like, usually these furry little agents of chaos are ready to fight everyone. But this one clip instantly switches them from violent mode to silent mode. What's the deal? Well, this hack is officially called Clipnosis. And no, it doesn't hurt them. When you pinch the skin on their neck, it tricks their brain into thinking their mom is carrying them. It's pure nostalgia. Don't try this at home with random clips. They stay in this ultimate chill zone until the clip comes off. Nature's pause button is wild.